One of the first aha moments for us with Tealeaf was being able to diagnose a problem that was frequently reported through our Opinion Lab voice of customer data. And that was related to this issue we were having in our billing path, where we had users who had an account with our site but weren't logged in. And as they progressed through the billing path, we were prompting them for a password. And at that point, a large number of users were failing at that point. This was the kind of thing that we never would have envisioned or been able to sort of uncover through our normal QA processes. And being able to see those sessions in Tealeaf uncovered an unknown use case that we were able to solve that was worth mid-six figures in terms of the amount of profit that it recovered for us.
My first aha moment with Tealeaf, there were actually two. The first one was when we got to integrate our voice of customer data along with Tealeaf. So I was able to actually click on a link and review a session that the customers had. Prior to that, we were able to try and deduce what happened based upon their comment in the page and maybe the previous page, but we didn't really understand what was really going on. So the first time that I was able to click on a link that someone commented with very limited information, basically that we weren't doing a very good job and that was it, I was able to then review that session and really understand what was going on, and that was actually really critical and very important feedback that otherwise would have been kind of swept under the rug. My second aha moment was the first time that I was able to use Tealeaf to create an event to uncover a bug that I first saw a bug coming up. I was able to create an event in Tealeaf and let it run, and by the end of the day, replay sessions, identify what the bug was, relay that to an engineer, and have a fix in place by the end of the day, which previously would have meant waiting 6 weeks or 8 weeks to get an enhancement in for our web analytics to be able to track it and then be able to try and understand what was going on. So to be able to do that within 1 day and turn it around and have a fix up on the site within 2 days later was a big aha moment for me.